Have you ever faced challenges while charging your electric vehicle? Well, you're not alone. Let's dive into this topic, explore common issues, and discover some helpful tips to make your EV charging experience smoother. Today, we're talking about EV charging etiquette. It's more important than you might think. Good etiquette ensures a smooth experience for everyone using these stations. So, what are some common issues? First, there's hogging charging stations. Then, leaving your vehicle parked after it's done charging. And, of course, improper cable handling. These things can really disrupt the flow and convenience for other users. So let's talk about the impact of EV charging etiquette on the overall charging infrastructure and how it affects our daily lives and, the experience of other EV owners. When everyone follows good etiquette, it really helps to keep things running smoothly and efficiently, and ensures that we all have access to the charging stations when we need them. Plus, it just makes the whole experience a lot more pleasant and enjoyable for everyone involved. Now, here are some essential tips and best practices for proper EV charging etiquette that every EV owner should know. First, always move your car once it's fully charged to free up the spot for someone else who might be waiting. Second, if you're using a public charger, try to limit your charging time to what's necessary to avoid hogging the station. And third, be considerate and respectful of others who might be waiting their turn to charge. By following these simple guidelines, we can all contribute to a more efficient, pleasant, and harmonious charging environment for everyone. To wrap things up, let's quickly summarize the key points we've covered in this video. Good EV charging etiquette is essential for maintaining a positive and smooth experience for everyone involved. Each of us plays a crucial role in ensuring that charging stations are available and accessible to all. Remember, a little consideration and kindness goes a long way in making the experience better for everyone. We encourage you to share your own experiences or any additional tips in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more EV related content. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and ring the bell for notification of our upcoming videos. Leave us a comment if you'd like to,